Then we click new, then 3D na ta, no? So 3D frame. So later on sa building dinhi na din ta. At karon dinhi sa ta sa 3D frame. So again for me in my experience pinaka the best gid ang grid line. Mag-start ka sa grid line or kung usay medyo kanang mura bitaw kag nagbaklay nga nakaagi kag humps. So dili lugar dire-diretso ang imong paglakaw ba na usay mainis ka ana mapurido ka. So pwede gyapon imong buhaton before ka mag-proceed sa grade line, imo sang i-define ang mga seksyon para later on dili na ta mapandol dire-diretso na rin ta. So first ang atong seksyon natay IP 200. So makita nimo diha wala pa so i-add nako. And then Europe, then look for IPE. So IP 200 and add, and then we have this CA o napatay IP 600. So IP 600. By the way, class, kini nga mga section mo na mo na yung ginagamit na ako sa design. Ko sa Qatar ang ginagamit nila European section. Not because they are dominant to US, but because they are nearby. So doon sila sa um, ang Europe, doon sa Middle East. So that's why ang pinakamahal mo gud aning mga labi nagbugat na kayo, mga dagko na kayo, mas mahal na ang transport pagani kaysa imong gipalit. Remember sa Shopee, palit kag dako kay nga box na barato ang price pero pag ang transport mahal na because it will eat more space and more weight. So that's why sa Middle East, usually ang ginagamit namo mga European section. And then we have it's EB. So we have na-add naman ako ang 600 and then naatay it's EB 240. It's where is it's EB? This one. And then 240. So you add. And then CEA. So natay CEA. CEA 100 by 12. Europe again. CEA. CEA 100 by 12. Add. And last is we have the UPN. And this is for the bracket, crane girder support. So you have UPN 240. And, let's try to check first. So natay HA 240 and then we have the CA. So I think I've added. So you can close it and close. So now we are ready to take the smooth walk. So we go to the grid line and we have in this case, the origin of the global axis is in the middle uh, of the x coordinate. So so therefore we have the grid line. We start with the grid line A. So grid line A is x is negative 8. So we add, and then at the zero origin, so we have 0. By the way, the numbering is letter, and 0, grid line B, and then 8, grid line C. So, and then and the Y, so is typical. So we have here uh, repeat three times, and then we have 12. So the numbering we can use other numbers. So we can say y starting from y1, and we can say that 0 will add. So we have here start the grid line numbering is y1 to 4, and for the z we have this numeric numbering, and it is not typical. So therefore we have to plot it one by one. So grade line 1 is starting with grade line 1, 0, and then move up to grade line 2, 7, add, and 14, add, 0, 7, 14, wait a minute, 0, 1, and then 2 is 7, napay grid line 3, sorry class, so sa grid line 3, ato na lang nang i-appeal yung level sa crane girder. So grade line 3 will be 10. Hmm. Oh, something is wrong. So i-delete sa na to ah. So grade line 3 is 10, and then grade line 4 is 14, and grade line 5 is 16. And then so and then we apply. So we close that, and enlarge a little bit. Okay, so now we are going to plot the column first. So we plot the column. So, uh, so again, the default for column for robot is still column, and the section is IP 600. So and then I can add here. Mm, Wait, the column is so high. So let us see. Ang column niya is ang with the height of, so x coordinate Okay, -6 and then 0, -800 and then -7. Okay. So therefore, hanggang 7 lang ang one column. So kung makita nimo diri, ang Xenia 7. That one. And yeah, it coincides also with the level of not level, just below the bracket, the cream girder. So you click that one, and then the next one is at until Z is 14. So you can see there C14. You can also see here C14. So Z14 negative X negative 10 and sorry. So escape sa ta. So baliktad ya. 14. Okay. So and then mm, we add the beam. So beam. So and then you define niya during simple bar. So in your manual, ingon niya nga so first nag-start siya sa sa to, start siya sa column and then sa beam. Mm, but but it's wrong, no? Uh, because that should be it's not a simple so pag ingon man gud nimong simple ang member pasabutan na dili siya mag-carry og bending moment and also torsion. So wala siyang fixity meaning say hinge lang siya. So means say shear force and axial force. So but that's wrong because this is a steel frame. So it should carry a bending moment. So we will not follow that simple bar. We can use the beam. So because here if you select simple member, meaning to say nga ang ano lang siya simply para bang naa siya release sa moment and torsion. So we should use this one because bending moment there is high with this joint. So we have here beam and then IPE. Mm, beam is IPE, HEB. So HAV. Somebody is nagha-hands on. Can you off your kwan or akong camera? Ako man sigurong kwan no, speaker no. Ga-react. So HAV 240 and then you add here. So from there to there. So you have added the beam. So let us see the section. And then the next is we have to plot the bracket. So the bracket here is assumed to be a simple member. That means it will not carry a bending moment. It's just axial and shear. So we can keep that. There's no problem with that. So and then the section is UPN. So UPN 240. So if you notice the bracket start with the at x is -8. So here, so dinodraw na to ang bracket ana siya, anaan din mo ana din siya. So starting niya is negative 8, x negative 8, y 0, and z is 10. So we can type it here. So negative 8, comma 0, comma 10. And nag-move siya. So kakain siya ng 2 meter because 2 meter ang iyang length. So therefore, instead of negative 8, negative 6 na lang. So negative 6 ang x coordinate against 0 kasi naka sa 0 y axis. And then the same level, z is 10. So we can add. So now we have added this bracket. And then the next one is, so if we start from below, so that will be x negative 8. So x negative 8, again y is 0, and z now, so from 10, so if you less 2, so that become 8. Because now we are drawing from here to there. And then uh, mag-end siya sa din sa tumoy. So the same. So that will be negative 6, y 0, and z is 10. So mudugtong siya dito sa taas. And then add. So right there you can see you have drawn the you have drawn the bracket. So the bracket is finished. So what else we need? So we have the, okay, we have the bracket member support. So so this support. So we can what is the support is a fixed support. So we can click that fixed one. And for selecting node for support, so the best safe way to do is to window it. And you can see there your inspector told you that you have selected one node. So, and then you apply. So you have already the support. So, so what else? I think wala na. So after this mm, support, mm, okay, now we are going to window mirror this one. So we select this window select, and we go to edit and the vertical mirror, and then so plane location. So here, din nato siya ipa-rotate. And that's it. and then close this one, and then now we are going to translate this. Mhm. So translate, and then edit again, and copyright. Limot na ko. Nagsigog ingog translate na copy man na di ay. So now the distance is 12, and then 1, 2, 3. So three times atong uh, okay. So ang section na to ang sa taas nga beam is IP200, and puwede mo ko na 'to i-drag class. So kung i-drag na 'to, ma-draw ang beam diya sa ibabaw, pero ang problema kung tama ba ang section, and then double na ma-double ang work kasi ato pang i-change ang section. But let us see. Okay, so dx is 0, dy is 12, and dz is 0. So meaning to say that we are translating the frame only on the purely global y-axis. So if you put drag, and it will drag, it will add a beam. So makita nimo, it's good for us because medyo medyo ang imong trabaho na lessen. So ang problema ani ang kini nga section, unsay section ana. So kung makita nimo ang iyang property, UP into pertoy pa rin. So that means the strong because ang atong horizontal is IPE, ang atong longitudinal beam. So therefore, it's not applicable. So therefore, manualon ginato siya i-translate, i-plot. So we will, so i-save siya na to. So we have here L5, section C. So therefore, we just purely translate this without dragging the nodes. So so again, X0, Z12, Y12, and Z0, and number of uh, copies 3 without dragging the nodes to create a beam. So and then we add the beam at the top. So again, and that could be a beam again. So it's not just a simple beam, but it is a beam that capable of carrying any kind of internal forces like torsion and bending moment. So the section of that is IPA 200. So IPA 200. Now we can draw it, and we can drag it and do it manually. So yan, kopya-kopya ka pa, gano'n din, eh. So kung imo nang i-translate sa pikas, pareha lang class. Unless if you are going to draw a lot of lines, so but ang time nga kailangan pareha lang. So sa top, the same, and then So, the the mix is the, napaisa, napadiri. Where is our grade line number 2? So, sa grade line number 2, grade line number 2. So, nakadiri. So, ang grade line number 2 na 'to is, 7. So, at 7, at a height of 7 natay grid line number 2, just below the bracket, and naa pa gyapon tay beam diya. So, of course, that will be used in your cladding. So, and also this is, one of the main, element to resist the wind load of the warehouse. So, and the section is still the same. So, draw this. Ayan lang. So, draw that one. So, make sure na pag point nimo didto, you get a value of, z is 0 and, x is 8, and then y will correspond. Okay, so in this case, if you see below, you see here, uh, x is 8, y is 12, and, z is 7. So that's correct. Sa class. Nabuang na. Mhm. Buang na ang kuan. Ano siya? Na- Hindi naman mo kuan. So we go 3D, XZ 3D. Kailangan lang yan. Okay, so natuloy exit no choice kita na. Hmm, I think ang problem is, sa akong murag daot na akong mouse system 'no. Mas so ang advantage mo gud ani nga method, 'pag dako na gay imong structure, dako ang imong model, and then sa design nagbabago ang, kumbaga nagbabago-bago ang utak sa owner, eh. So, usahay mawala ang column, usahay madugangan ana. So, this kind of, way of, manipulating the model is very important rather than you copy this, copy that. So, simple naman na. So, if you really know how to manipulate, later on mag-change ang design, so easy for you to delete the beam or add the beam somewhere else. So, that's why I always use this kind of, way, in, modeling. So, we go back to the, beam, and then, IP 200, and we drag. So, ang nakapangit lang sa drag, 'di ka kahawa kung kaysa wa ka ka-drag isa-isahon nimo. So in this case, so move on ta. So z is 7, x negative 8, and then y 12. That's correct. And then y 24, x negative 8, and z is 7. And moving on.